Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you. How's it going, my friends? Welcome back to CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton, and today we're going to be discussing a pretty interesting project that is actually a very famous fashion line that I'm personally very familiar with. I'm sure many of you will know it as well. Black Paris, or Blvck Paris, but it is pronounced Black Paris. Now, they are going to be doing 9,999 next-gen avatars. Join the Black Metaverse. Excuse me. We can check here. They've actually got a really good following over on Discord. 62,000 humans. And it says Black Paris, 1.25 million. Black Supply, 10K. Blacklisted, which is very funny, actually. 532. There's their website, and then of course just rules, links, announcements, that kind of thing. If you'd like to introduce yourself, socialize, it's actually a very social society. You can see people are talking right now in voice chat. It's actually as I've been checking this project out basically to like review it, it's been very interesting how social the people are with this. But again, it's a big project already. We see they have 1.2 million followers on Instagram, and that is no surprise at all, because remember, Black Paris itself, and by the way, they own @Black, which is just a wonderful username, honestly. Like, wow. The marketing of owning just one word specifically is unbelievably helpful. For example, my channel's I guess the Instagram related to my channel is @CryptoCoins. That's been hugely helpful. So that's very cool. Good on them. They've got 31,000 and growing on Twitter, though again their following is more on Instagram because it's more of a visual following, and I'll show you that momentarily. Now we can see some of the black rare digital art is what they call it. This is some beautiful art, by the way. These are, I mean, look at this. This is fascinating. Just gonna kind of go through all of it just so you get an idea. I mean, just look at like the water. I can't even imagine how much some of these artists go through to create something this wonderful and beautiful. And I will, before I show you a quick video, I'm gonna show you their actual website. Now it is blvck.com or black.com, which still very cool. Like a really good name tone for their website. And this is actually showing you their collection, some of their different merchandise. My brother, apparently, the guy who I think this and me and this guy, it's just a much more handsome version than me. That is literally like if I was handsome. They've got some really cool products though. Very hip, young, cool stuff. I would definitely recommend if you're the kind of person who loves to have things that are very like make a statement kind of clothing. I would definitely recommend them. I'm personally, I know it sounds not like my personality, but I'm personally thinking about investing in some actual physical clothing because they've got some really cool stuff. Actually, some of their sweaters and stuff would just be very cool to have for like, you know, public events and stuff. I want to look nice for once instead of just dressing up in my button downs. I believe this one is an American Eagle. Yes, that is an American Eagle right there. So I'm not quite up to par. I need to grab one of these cool shirts, I think. And honestly, like I said, that's not even me selling it. I'm really here to, and again, just to objectively discuss the NFT, but I actually really like their clothing brand, so I just wanted to go off on a tangent. I think, that's why I discuss this stuff. It's because I think it's cool. I just give you my objective opinion, want to discuss it, and I like this. So, and I'm going to show you a short video. Off the rip, this is gorgeous. This is, you know what it reminds me of, what is the name? Bioshock Infinite. Sorry, I was thinking Borderlands or Bioshock Infinite. It reminds me of that. Just, you guys remember when that came out, the graphics were unlike anything we had seen for, you know, until the time, of course, right? This was a few years ago. That's what this feels like. Way better graphics, of course, better, you know, many years to have improved on it, but like Man, you guys remember just seeing that like scaping image, that overscaping image of the and if you haven't seen it, just go look it up, but of the city, and it's just like just this wonderful cool thing. That's what they're going for, and it's so well done here. Man, the editing is on point with that. Wow, that was really well edited. Congratulations to whoever did that, man. That was really, really well done, actually. And then we can see a little bit more about the project. We'll check out the roadmap. So there's going to be the minting at 0%. So launch the Black NFT collection, Black Genesis NFT collection. Dates to be announced. 25% Black Club access. As a holder of a Genesis NFT or getting a membership to the limited edition physical products, exclusive fashion collabs with other brands, artists, and airdrops, which that's so interesting as well. That's actually personally why I invested in the Adidas Metaverse NFT. Also I thought it was just a good investment, but that's gonna be so cool. And you see they make such high quality clothes. It's such a big brand, like such a huge fashion industry brand that I know about through friends of mine who are models and stuff, because I'm cool and I have model friends. Sorry, but seriously, I have heard of a lot of their stuff. I've seen a lot of their stuff, so I think that's really cool. It's part of why I discussed this one. You got the workshop, like developing a workshop to showcase their latest projects and creations for the Genesis holders. Then there's going to be the Black Metaverse, where they partnered with Aura Games, the organization behind the first play-to-earn NFT experience, available both on the App Store and Google Play. Download over 700,000 times. We'll reveal a game where players who use their NFTs as in-game characters earn tokens, products, and play. And then 100% Black Perks. Ownership of the Black Genesis NFT will give you priority access to our future NFT collections, $1 raffles, exclusive merchandise, and more. The Darker, the Rarer, with 250 high fashion traits, outfit, league, tattoo, haircut, and more? Sorry, I'm just being silly. So about them, the project is led by Black Paris, global lifestyle fashion brand founded in 2017 by French designer Julien Ohayon, endorsed and supported by an engaged community with millions of social media followers and customers worldwide. Black is known for its all black clothing, accessories, and digital goods, from visual content to merchandise. Black strives to pioneer an aspirational lifestyle, pursuing quality and design. In 2021, the brand opened stores worldwide in Tokyo, Miami, Taichung, Hong Kong, and Macau, and collaborated with tech giant Cassitify in the NFT space. Black previously introduced 3 NFT drops on Maker's Place and held an event on Decentraland. I didn't know that. That's really cool. You can see, as seen on these many different places, they have Vogue, Entrepreneur, Maker's Place. These are some of their actual stores, like the actual places where they sell their stuff. And as I said, they're huge. I mean, Black Paris is one of the biggest brands. I didn't realize it was only started in 2017. This has not been a long, that's not young at this point, about 5-6 years, but look at just how cool this stuff is. Like, they know their aesthetic perfectly. When you walk into that store, it makes you want to buy the products. It makes you feel like you're in this hip, trendy clothing store. So I definitely think that that's really cool. I think that it's something to definitely take into account as to, investing in this project. You're investing into also a very successful company. So just, that's a big hope for this one, is that those correlate. You can actually check out the team. The founder is completely doxxed because he is a public figure, so that's all right by me. Backed by Coincilium, it's a focused blockchain venture operator based in Gibraltar. In 2015, Coincilium became the first blockchain company to IPO. The company is a highly regarded innovator with proven technological and commercial expertise and development capabilities in the NFT arena, and also with open finance. We can see Black Bear, the Aura Games, to make the collection truly unique. They partnered up with Aura Games to make their play-to-earn game. Project Crypto Idle Miner propelled them into the casual gaming sphere with a never-before-seen concept, rewarding players based on the leaderboard position. Actually, I did talk about this project. Aura Games is one of the first P2E companies that successfully launched their project. Over 700,000 downloads. We read all about that. Now we're expanding the Metaverse. And that is Black Paris NFT, my friends. This project is really cool. I think it's going to do very well for itself. So I just wanted to discuss this before it blew up too big, because I know anything Black Paris does turns to black gold. I don't know. That's just, I was going for it. I don't know. Diamonds? Turns to diamonds. They compress the coal and it turns to diamonds. But seriously, my friends, thank you always for coming by CryptoCoins Gaming. My name is Freddie Colton. Today we discussed Black Paris. I will see you in the next episode.